If you are not in the position to save up and pay cash for your car and are sick and tired of paying a car payment month after month, you're not alone. And I have to tell you, if you can, you might want to consider paying off your car loan early. Why, you ask? Well, the most obvious reason is that it can save you quite a bit of money. But honestly, there are all sorts of reasons to pay off your car loan as fast as you can. In this video, I'm going to explore some key reasons why it can be very beneficial for you to get rid of your auto loan debt as soon as possible. By the way, if we haven't met already, I'm Joe, and I love to make videos regarding personal finance, investing, real estate, and other life topics. If you find any value in this video, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps me out. Alright, Joe, so the first reason to get rid of that auto loan payment as quickly as possible is that you'll pay less interest. So in my opinion, the top reason you should pay off your car loan early, or any loan for that matter, is that you'll spend less money on interest. And the more interest you have to pay on your loan, the more money you'll save by paying it off early. For example, if you were to take out a 5-year auto loan of $25,000 with an interest rate of 5%, you would end up paying $471.78 per month. Now, over the course of 60 months, that adds up to $28,306.80. That means you would be paying an extra $3,306.80 in interest. Now, let's imagine you decided to add an extra $200 to your monthly payment. Well, guess what? That would not only shorten your payoff timeline by 19 months, but it would also reduce the total amount of interest you have to pay to $2,222.15. That's a difference of over $1,000. Now, this is a conservative example. I happen to know people who are paying 25–30% interest rates over a 5 to 6 year period because of low credit scores. Let's think about that. This means that the vast majority of your payment is going towards the interest rather than the principal. Meaning each month that you make that car payment, the balance owed on that loan is going down by a very small amount. Now, if you were to keep this high interest auto loan debt over a 5 to 6 year period, you would end up paying for your vehicle 2 times over. Meaning the bank is making a huge profit off of your loan. Now, if you are in this situation, the best way to get out of it would be to work on improving your credit. And be sure to make your auto payments on time and try to refinance your vehicle to obtain a lower auto loan rate as soon as possible. Remember, in order to save, you need to do 2 things: get the lowest possible interest rate and shorten your term, meaning pay it off as soon as possible. Now, the next benefit of paying off your car loan early is that it can reduce your car insurance. So when you have a car loan, you don't have much of a choice when it comes to car insurance. Reason being is technically you don't own the car until you pay it off, so you may be required to carry more expensive car insurance. So since the bank gave you the loan, they don't want to get stuck with the big bill in the event that you get into an accident. So because of that, you may be forced to carry more insurance than you really need. However, the day you pay off your car loan, you get to decide how much insurance you want to purchase. A good example of this is gap insurance. You see, gap insurance covers the gap between the value of the car and how much is still owed on the car in the event of a total loss. But when you don't owe anything, there's no need for gap insurance. I mean, that's instant money back in your pockets, guys. Instant savings that can be invested or put to better use. Remember, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. So in addition to reducing your car insurance payments, paying off your car loan early can increase your monthly cash flow. So one of the most important lessons I've learned is that increasing your monthly cash flow, your overall financial margin, is the key to achieving your financial goals. So the financial margin, or cash flow, is just the amount of money you have left after you're paying all of your expenses. And from your rent or mortgage to utilities and your car payment, every expense you add to your financial list is just money that you can't put towards your savings or investment goals. Look at it like this: with fewer expenses, the larger your financial margin cash flow will be. For example, if your monthly car payment is $500, then the day you pay off your car loan, you will immediately free up $6,000 worth of your income per year. Now that's $6,000. I mean, that's enough to fund your Roth IRA, start or add to your emergency fund, or maybe even help you pay off your mortgage sooner. I mean, even if you just use the money to save up and pay cash for your next car, paying off your car loan early can take quite a bit of pressure off your monthly cash flow. Now, I personally feel an overlooked and added benefit is just peace of mind, guys. That comes with having your car paid off. Now, I really don't think that it's any big secret that debt can lead to quite a bit of stress. Whether it's because you feel like you're stretched yourself a little too thin, or because you're worried about missing a payment, financial stress can be debilitating. But the good news is that the more debt you eliminate, the fewer financial obligations you have to worry about. And when you worry less, you'll find that life is a lot more peaceful. I mean, the peace of mind that comes from being able to simplify your finances. You have one less bill, one less expense to keep track of. And I really think the less complicated your financial situation is, meaning the fewer payments you have, the less debt you carry, the more financial margin you have, the easier it is to focus on your financial goals. So by paying off your car loan early, you're reducing the complexity of your financial situation. And seriously, guys, the simpler your financial financial life is, the easier it will be to achieve your biggest dreams. Because with increased monthly cash flow, margin, and peace of mind comes an additional benefit, which it gives you way more options. So whether it adds financial margin to your life, reduces your risk, enables you to invest and save more money, or even just allows you to take an extra vacation every year, when you own your car outright, you have many more options. Do you want to sell your car, or do you just sell and keep the money? There's no need to pay off a loan or worry about being upside down. Do you want to rent your vehicle out on Turo? You want to be able to pick and choose what type of car insurance you pay for every month? That's your prerogative. The bank doesn't get to dictate to you what you do with your car when you own it outright. So again, guys, paying off your car loan early, or any loan for that matter, gives you way more options than somebody that owes money to a bank. And that's called financial freedom. So if you have the money to pay off your car loan early, or you're just considering paying extra towards your monthly payment, I would tell you to go for it. As you can see, there's a ton of upside to eliminating your car payment. And having had my share of cars in my life and car payments, I can honestly tell you that life without a car payment is significantly better than life with a car payment. If you found value in the video, do me a favor and tap that like button and share it with others. It really helps to support and grow the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, as I'm posting valuable new content multiple times a week. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.